We have table like that. The information about some people, about their salary, for example, or benefit in January, February, March, and there are 10 workers. And now what I need, okay, I want to select the name of the one of them. I will select from here from the list or combo box. Then automatically I want to see their January result, February result, and the March result. But how can I do that? First, I will select. I will click data validation. Now I will use list, okay, source. I will select this one, enter. Okay. When I click, automatically it will show these people. And now I want to use, I want to see the result of this person. Now, how can I do that? Equal sign. Now I will say that with well lookup. Okay. What are you searching? This one. Or sorry, not on this one. Okay, everything. Okay, now I will show you not G2 comma which table, this table comma column which unit, second comma exactly, no, yes, exact match, enter. Okay, perfect. Now I will copy, I will paste to the here. Something happened. Why? The names, the Mars H2, not H2. I will remove it. I'll say G2, enter. Look at this, G2, but the column is 3. Okay, perfect. What about, okay, I will analyze this one. Why it has, okay, no, ignore all. What about it? I will say that 4. Instead of it, I will write G2. Okay, is it true? Yes, perfect. Now, guys, look at this. Okay, I make the dashboard, maybe we can say. Now, guys, what will I do? And also, I will make what? Visual form, and maybe this one. Okay, perfect. I think this is the perfect one. Okay, guys, now I will do it. Which is good. Okay. Also, you can change the design of this. Okay. Not bad. Not bad, I think. This is good. Now, guys, I will select not Leroy, Adria, it will change. Or Faye, it will change. If I select Leroy, it will change. And also, you can change the chart type, for example, like that. Okay, you can change also Adria. You can see. Or also, you can use other type of the chart or combo box or something like that. Look at this. This one. Look at this. Okay, maybe. Okay, guys. I think we finished the whole course, and I hope you like this course. You learn well, and guys, our special sentence is that is do more practice. If you do practice, if you do more practice, guys, I promise you, you will be better. If you don't do practice, guys, nobody can do anything. Uh, I want to say again, if you have any question, okay, you can write it me. But please do more practice. That if you do practice, you will see that, okay. Uh, in first time you will see that you will not do it. Second time you will do, but less percentage, for example 10 or 20 percentage of it, you will understand it. And the third attempt or the fourth attempt, you will understand the 40 percentage. But after the tenth, you will or that tenth is more, okay, I accept. Or after the six attempts, or seven, okay, then you will understand very well. Then also you will apply to your work job. Okay, guys. Okay, I want to say it again, guys. Sorry, wait. Congratulations. We finished the course. I think you are now you are good at the Excel if you do all. Um, okay, guys. See you later. I also upload the files, shortcuts files, and other useful resource. I will upload to there. And okay, guys, if you like the whole course, or it depends on you, you can give the start to me. I will. Okay, guys. See you later. Bye.